took that one right off the bike as he took it almost upside down. On that super, there we go. This is the trick we're trying to figure out the name for. Only Matt and Chuck does that when he brings those arms across his chest like that. I tell you, it looks like it's easy right there. Easy boy from Sayers. Bringing it back. We got to figure out a name for that trick. You guys got to check it out. And Matt and Chuck 111. 50 now, switch blade, at least a super can. Brings that leg across the gas tank in that in. Here comes Denver. Switch on the ramp now. Oh, and he takes his time up there as he brings that super can in. But whipping that bike out is what counts right there. Oh, a no-handed backflip, bringing those hands up over top of his head. Cody, Matt and Chuck. Man, these guys are you guys liking what you're seeing or what? Circling back around here again. Sayers all long and lean and blue. They're high now as he gets the switchblade out to the other side. If you were a judge and you see him work both sides like that, that gives him some extra points. What is going on here? Looks like you got a little conversation going on. You guys are just, wait a minute, hold on. Two riders together now. Two riders together. Quick. Gotta love that trick, the first trick in freestyle motocross. Brought to you right there by Twitch and in stereo. Wait a minute, we got three of them going here now. Style 3 times over from our riders today. Man, oh man, are they kicking it out or what? Now, if you were a judge, you have to decide. You like to see all the tricks together? You want to see them hit different ones? Let's see what Twitch and Mickey have in mind now. Backside, they hit a trick called a helicopter. Bringing it to the back into that heart attack position and bringing those legs up over their heads. That's a Canadian trick from the two Americans. Sayers now concentrating. Arms are up. Look at Matt and Chuck those arms up. Here we go. Heel, flicker, flips, variations of the back flip. The record holder Sayers leading the pack right here. You saw him pull up those flip bars. Mickey Golden, Jeremy Twitch Stenberg. Are they going to have another run? They are. The two of them together here now. 9 o'clock nap. Such a difference in the way the riders do it. Twitch out here all rapid like they're perfect in their execution. Sayers circling back around here. I know what he's thinking right now. Ladies and gentlemen, these riders are about to perform the most dangerous trick in freestyle motocross. It puts all the riders on the ramp at the same time. It's called the freestyle train, and we're about to give it to you in triplicate, better known as WTF. Here we go. Saw the look on this guy's face when I said WTF, and it is what you were thinking, man. It's quick. You know what I'm saying? They just hit the whip right there. All 5 riders laying it out there for you now. Gotta love that trick, that whip. But right now, it's up to each of the riders. What trick do they perform? Do they work together? Jeremy going back there looking like he's picking up some souvenirs out of there. Somebody may have lost the bowls out of the pipe. Jeremy checking it out there right now. Everybody having a look down going, is everything still on here? Is everything still in one piece? You know, when you take a motorcycle and you slam it down from 30 feet in the air, sometimes stuff comes loose, you know what I mean? You want to make sure it ain't the brake, right? Talking about here, making sure that safety is number 1 for the Sayers Freestyle team as they check it out here right now. In a freestyle train, the reason why it's so dangerous is one mistake. You lose all the riders. Here we go. And that was like a smorgasbord of X Games right there. Cliffhangers and that, and everything going on right there. But there's one task remaining. This, of course, involves that F. You got a camera, make sure you get it up there. Make sure you hashtag it Calgary Stampede, hashtag Monster Energy, hashtag KSFMX, because watch this. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your feet, put your hands together.